In the middle of the night, Mary woke up to a strange noise coming from her closet. She tried to ignore it, but the noise grew louder and more persistent. Eventually, she could take it no longer and got out of bed to investigate. As she approached the closet, the door creaked open on its own, revealing a pair of glowing eyes staring back at her from within. Mary froze in fear as a bony hand reached out from the darkness and pulled her inside. As Mary was being pulled into the darkness of her closet, she tried to scream for help, but no sound came out. She felt cold, bony fingers closing around her throat, choking off her breath. She struggled against her unseen attacker, but it was too strong. In that moment, Mary realized that something terrible was happening to her, something beyond her understanding. She wondered if she would ever see her family again, or if she was doomed to remain trapped in the darkness forever. The last thing she remembered before everything went black was the feeling of icy breath on the back of her neck. In the morning, Mary's family found her closet empty, with no sign of where she had gone. But every night, they could hear the sound of her muffled screams coming from inside the closet, a reminder that some horrors are best left